Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide the left side menu bar in Google Maps. This is a super useful feature when you want to maximize your map view and get rid of any distractions cluttering your screen. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can start exploring locations and planning routes. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice that Google Maps actually gives you two different ways to hide that left side menu bar, so I'll walk you through both methods. The first option is to search for any location. It could be a city, a restaurant, an address, or anywhere you want to explore. Just type it into the search bar at the top and hit enter. Once you search for a location, Google Maps will display the results and information about that place on the left side panel. Now take a look at the left side of your screen where the information panel is showing. You'll see a left arrow icon right there, and this icon is specifically designed for collapsing the panel. Go ahead and click on that left arrow icon, and just like that, the left side menu bar will disappear, giving you a full, unobstructed view of the map. This is perfect when you want to see more of the map without any text or details getting in the way. Now, let's talk about the second way to hide the menu bar. On the left side of your Google Maps screen, you'll see several options listed vertically. One of these options is labeled Saved. Click on Saved, and this will open up a panel showing all the places you've saved for future reference, like your favorite restaurants, travel destinations, or important addresses. Just like with the first method, you'll notice that same left arrow icon appearing on the panel. This icon works exactly the same way. Simply click on it, and the left side menu bar will hide itself, once again giving you that clean, expanded map view that makes navigation so much easier. And that's it. Whether you're searching for a specific location or browsing through your saved places, hiding the left side menu bar in Google Maps is just one click away. This simple trick helps you focus entirely on the map itself, making it easier to explore and plan your routes without any visual distractions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.